Hey guys, what's up? So today I've got the Redmi 9 and let's do the unboxing. So this is the 4GB variant with 5000 mAh battery. So let's unbox this. So let's keep the phone aside. So you get a charger and a USB to Type-C, I assume. Oh, it's a micro. This is not a Type-C, this is a micro USB. Your ejection tool and a bit of a guide. That's it. Let's check the phone out. This is how the phone looks. This is the blue variant. Let's have a look at the phone. Look at the texture, looks amazing. It's got 3 cameras, a flash, AI camera it says. So you got your volume keys and your on and off. You got a speaker at the bottom, your charging, your mic, your SIM card tray. You got a 3.5mm jack. This is how it looks. Well, first impression, it looks pretty good. It looks amazing. I love the texture on this. The texture is amazing. So you get 2 more variants. That's the black, the grey, and I think the orange. So this is what you just get in the box. There's nothing much in it. So guys, if you like the unbox, please like, share and subscribe. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Sayonara.